video. So today we're looking at US30 and GBP JPY. So we're gonna break down from the weekly. So this morning we caught a pretty good trade going up on US30. However, we know that it's a temporary move because, as you can see, the market has left from being bullish to being absolute bearish now on the weekly. Moving down to the daily time frame, we can see that we got this double bottom W pattern right here. So we was expecting to go all the way up here and test this giant. However, it's a bearish market, so we're expecting a rejection up here to come all the way back down. Moving on to the 4-hour now, what happened was that I had marked up some key zones where I saw that the market was testing, broke through, came back for the retest, made its way all the way up on the 4-hour. Now, as I said, this is a bearish market, so we know that this was just a temporary move to the upside. So what I did was I scaled down to the 15-minute, where I noticed that came here. I got in about here. I got in right here because I was waiting for the retest. We saw a complete break of structure right here. Came back down. I caught it all the way up to here. Took my TP right here at about 0.01. I think I made about $90. And it was a double entry, so it was about 180, 190 in total. New to temporary, it was only a temporary move up, so we're looking for the retracement now. You can see price is tanking because this was just a temporary move. As I said, I would be looking to take the retest, so I would be looking to see if this can come back and test this previous zone right here, and then I would enter to take the sell-off back down. That's what I'm looking at for US30. Just a simple markup, so let's put that in test. Yeah, so I'll be looking, if I was to going back in US30, I'll be looking at a test of this mini zone right here on the 15-minute. So I wouldn't get in right now, but I would definitely be, looking to wait for this retest up here. As you can see, market is really bearish right now. It's pushing back down because, as I said, it was only a temporary move up as a pullback. Now let's get into GBP JPY. No, it's not GBP. Sorry, my fault, people. I'm looking for the trade that I took this morning. Yes, this is the trade this morning. No, it was GBP JPY. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, guys, this trade was valid because I was looking at it on the, let's look at the weekly first. So as you can see, market has been in a strong uptrend, and I've been marking off key zones where you guys can look for areas to take buy opportunities. As you guys can see, this has been one of the areas. I didn't mark it up, but as you can see, this has been one of the areas for buys, because you see it's a uptrend. Second area has been right here for buys. Now the third area has become right up here. So we can see that price is at that 165, 168 level on the weekly. Let's scale down to the daily. And as you can see, price completely broke out of this zone right here, because as I said, guys, I would be looking for buys in an uptrend. So if you take any of these trades down here, you would have been successful going up all the way up to this zone. Now market broke out here, candle closed above the zone on the daily. Let's move down to the 4-hour. As you can see, price has completely broken out. It's making, I'm waiting for a double bottom pattern right here on the 4-hour before I take it all the way up. I got in early on the 15-minute this morning. I made probably about 15 $15 to $20 because it was at 0.01, and I'm trading really conservative today. So as you guys can see, gave us that double bottom pattern right here. Of course, came back to retest this zone, and I think it's gonna go all the way back up. So we caught the trade from about here, took it all the way up to here, closed the position, came back for a retest, gave us this W right here, double bottom W right here, and of course the handle, and I'm predicting it's gonna go all the way back up here. Now that's just my analysis for GBP JPY. I'm done trading for the day because yesterday we had a really bad day. If you guys noticed, I didn't post any profits. We took a massive L yesterday. I think we are down about $800 because I was just not disciplined. I was up about 400 for the day, and I saw this trade with no volatility in the market, and I literally opened the trade not realizing that it was news, and as I opened the trade, it went negative $546. Like, I could not believe. I closed the trade same time. I opened it like a second, didn't realize that there was news at that time, and it spiked up, literally spiked up to in the negative, and I closed the same time because I would have just went into the red and just closed out same time, negative 500. I was so mad yesterday. So after that, what I did was I just created a new rule that I would only be trading I would only be trading 4 setups per day, and once I made my goal for those 4 setups, I would not be going in the market anytime I get until 8 o'clock in the night. So that's what I'm currently looking at right now. So I'm done for the day. I just did this video because I'm not going on the markets anytime later tonight, so you guys can watch it and catch these setups if you like. But as I said, even though they're good setups, I'm not going in. And of course, you know, if you're doing your risk to reward, going along on this position, so you enter here, your stop loss would definitely be right here, and your first TP would be right here. 1.77 risk to reward, which is not bad. Second TP probably be around here, you know, which is definitely even better, 2.29. And just remember, on the daily, the market is going in an uptrend, so you definitely will be looking for buys going up. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for me for the day. I'm gonna post this video right now so you guys can get it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.